Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily link your Instagram account to TikTok. Be sure to watch the video till the very end to avoid any mistakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down until you find the Instagram section. Tap on Add Instagram. If it shows you can error, tap on Login instead. Now you'll need to enter your Instagram credentials. Input your phone number, username or email in the first text field, and your Instagram password in the second one. Tap on Add or Login. On the next screen, you may be asked to tap on the Allow button to confirm the linking process. After that, your TikTok and Instagram account will become linking to each other. That is it. You've successfully linked your Instagram account to TikTok. Now you can easily share your TikTok videos to Instagram and vice versa. Thanks for watching.